Hi, I'm George Levin, founder of CRMchat. We keep your team on top so they never miss a deal on Telegram. Today, I want to show you our September update. Number one, now you can add your team members so you can share leads, assign tasks, and filter by deal owner. Let me show you how to do it. You open leads, settings, team members, and you invite your team member. Yeah, this is it. Gleb will receive a message from the bot that I invited him to our workspace, and he just needs to accept it. This is it. Number two, now we have integration with Zapier, so you can connect CRMchat to any tool like Google Sheets, Notion, HubSpot, so you can see your team's leads and deals not only in CRMchat, but also in any other tools. Let me show you how it works. I'm creating a new lead. And here, by the way, another quick update. If you create a custom property and you make this property required, the bot will show you that this property is missing. So here I created two custom properties. Type of the deal, let's put client, and stage, let's put new. Just to remind you that if you want to create custom properties, you need to go to the settings, custom properties. So here, all my properties, and this is the type, VC clients affiliate. And here you can select that the property is required. So if you select it, then the bot will ask you to fill out this property. Now let's get to my Google spreadsheet. So here you can see that the new deal was created. You can see the link to the Telegram, type, stage, bio, name. Basically, you can pull here any information that's available. Update number 4, duplicates. Now we check for duplicates. So let's create a new deal using this screenshot. This is just a screenshot from my brother's LinkedIn. It will create a new deal. And now let's create another deal, but this time let's use another method. Let's send Gleb's Telegram handle. So in the previous version, it would create two different Gleb events. Now it will ask whether you want to update existing lead or create a new one. So I update the existing one, and this is it. So now if we open the leads, find Gleb Levin, here it has both Telegram, LinkedIn, his bio, so all information. Update number 5, very cool one. Now you can send any text, any image to the bot. So here I am sending the list of our backlog features, and the bot will ask what to do with it. So it will ask you if you want to add it to existing lead or create a new one. So I will add it to existing lead. I will add it to Anton, our CTO. So now you don't need to create a lead first and then update. You can just send whatever you have, some meeting notes or any screenshot, and then create a lead. Update number 6. Now you can sync your Telegram folders with CRMchat. Let's do it, and I will keep my Google spreadsheet open so you will see how it looks with the integrations. So I am opening our settings, Telegram folder sync, and I will sync this hints demo folder where I have two groups. Let's get back to the contacts, and you see already these groups are here in the contact tab. So this is very cool because you can create, let's say, 5 different folders. Each folder can be a different stage in your pipeline, and by just moving groups from one folder to another, you will automatically update your pipeline. If your entire team does the same, then you have one pipeline with all the groups from all your team members in one place. Finally, we've launched our referral program. Now you can create your custom link in just 30 seconds, share it with your community, and you will earn a 30% lifetime revenue share. Zapier integrations and team workspaces are paid features. The individual use without integrations is free. If you need any help with integrations or setting up your team, DM me or join our community. Thank you. Bye.